There are a million AI tools, guys, right now, and most of them are pretty average. But here are 10 AI tools that are actually good. And guys, these are gonna help you whether you are a business owner, a professional in your job, or a student. And not one of these that I'm about to mention are ChatGPT or DALL-E. So there's that. Hey guys, my name is Michelle Bally. I am your host for today, a tired host, if you will, because I have done hours of research to find you guys the best AI tools to help you be a grandmaster. I've got you covered, so let's get into them. First tool, it's called Numerous AI. It is a plugin that you can use for Google Sheets or Excel, whatever floats your boat. And guys, this thing is crazy because it's gonna save you a ton of time on spreadsheet busy work, and it's gonna make you the Beth Harmon of numbers. For example, it can make educated guesses to fill in your spreadsheets for you. Like, it will do your work for you. So let's say you have a repetitive task like categorizing hundreds and hundreds of lines of data. All you need to do is give it a little head start by filling in a few cells, and Numerous AI will understand that context and fill in the rest of the cells for you. This next feature absolutely did it for me. Have you ever been in a spreadsheet and you know exactly what it is that you want to do, but you just don't know the formula for it? And then sometimes, even when you do know the formula, it still gives you an error. Well, Numerous AI is amazing because all you have to do is use your words to describe what it is you want to do, and it will write the formula for you. And did you know that you can use ChatGPT inside your cells in Numerous AI? All you have to do is use the equals AI parentheses function to prompt ChatGPT, and you can summarize text into bullet points, make educated guesses, extract specific parts out of the text, and so much more. But if you want ChatGPT to write text for you, such as like SEO descriptions and marketing copy, for example, then what you would do is you would go equals, write, parentheses, and make that as a prompt, and it will actually do that too. Are you kidding me? Insane. And it works for complicated functions like VLOOKUP and all of that. And guys, pricing on this one is gonna be $10 a month, but honestly, take my money because especially now that businesses are more than ever so reliant on data, this tool is gonna be worth every penny. Okay, so this one is gonna be a lifesaver for sales departments. Reply.io is an AI-powered sales engagement platform that helps you develop new opportunities at scale. So whether you are a salesperson yourself or you're a business owner, I know that you know how tedious it can be to find the right person in a company to talk to, send the right message, and then follow up again. Like, it's a lot. So what Reply.io does is, first of all, it allows you to sift through their B2B database using a bunch of filters for this super laser focused target. And that way, you're always reaching the right person. So that's cool. But then you can use Jason AI, a personal assistant powered by ChatGPT, that can generate tailored sequences from the initial touch point to the follow-ups. Awesome. And then after the outreach phase, once you start getting responses, you can let Jason AI handle basic customer replies like addressing common objections and even booking meetings on your behalf. So how cool is that? Okay, so have you guys heard about AnyWord? It is this super cool AI tool that is all about helping marketers and business owners create really, really great copy. So whether you are crafting ads or emails or landing pages or other content, AnyWord is going to really support you in that. So let's say you need to whip up an ad for Facebook or Google AdWords or LinkedIn or Twitter. No sweat, because AnyWord is really gonna make this such a breeze. And let's say you're into even more like long form type of content like blog posts or YouTube descriptions or product descriptions, AnyWord's also gonna have you covered for that as well. But guys, here's the real kicker. AnyWord is not just about helping you create great content, it's also about giving you the power of data. So it's gonna give you predictive metrics and insights, and you can see which parts of your messages are really hitting that mark. It's kind of like having a crystal ball for your marketing. So pricing is gonna start at $49 a month, but you can save 20% by paying for the full year. So that's always helpful. It's gonna give you a 7-day free trial period to see if this tool is right for you. So if you're interested, you kind of have nothing to lose. Also guys, I want you to know that our videos are never sponsored. We're just here to give you some suggestions on awesome AI tools that we personally find super helpful. So yeah, just want to throw that out there. If you guys are finding this video helpful so far, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up, because it is a small thing that you can do that makes a really big difference for me and this channel. And if you're liking this content, then yay, amazing, because this channel is dedicated to helping you grow your online business. We've got videos from how to grow a TikTok to how to run a Facebook ads and all of that in between. So if that all sounds good to you, then I hope you consider subscribing. Guys, you need to check out this tool that lets you create and tweak presentations using generative AI in Google Slide. It is such a game changer. It's basically like having a personal presentation sidekick almost. So here's how it works. First, you start with a prompt to create a customizable outline, and then you're just gonna sit back, you're gonna chill, and you're gonna watch as the AI transforms it into slides in a few minutes. So it's super simple, right? But wait, there's more. Once your slides are ready, you've got a bunch of options and you can rewrite the content to change up the tone or remix the slide to switch up the layout. The cherry on top, Plus AI can whip up an outline for you, which you can tweak before generating the actual presentation. And when you're creating slides, you can pick a visual theme that suits your style. Love that. And once your slides are all set, you can edit them just like any other Google Slides presentation, export them for PowerPoint, and keep tweaking them with Plus AI. Okay, so here is the lowdown on Plus AI's top features. First of all, it is juiced up with the latest in generative AI, so super high tech. Secondly, it plays really nicely with both Google Slides and PowerPoint, and just switching between the two is such a piece of cake. And also guys, it can whip up a presentation that only needs kind of like a little bit of your magic touch, especially when you use detailed prompts. And the best part, you can rewrite content right on the slides. So yeah, total game changer. Okay, fifth on our list, we have a video editing AI tool called Pictory. What is Pictory, you ask? Basically, it is a super cool AI video generator that lets you create and edit top-notch videos without needing any fancy video editing skills or any design experience or anything like that. So sorry, video editors. Here's how it works. You start off by giving it a script, okay? Basically, this will become the foundation for your video. So for instance, let's say Pictory will take a blog post. It can then transform it into a really engaging video for your social media or website. It's a great feature for bloggers and companies that want to boost engagement and the quality of their videos. So that's awesome. And also, what's even better is that since it's cloud-based, you can use it on any computer. But that is not all, guys. Pictory also lets you edit videos using text. And I think this is perfect for tweaking webinars, podcasts, Zoom recordings, and so much more. And it is super easy to use, and it delivers really professional results in just a few minutes. And it's gonna help you grow your audience and build your brand. Now, one more feature that I think is super awesome that I wanna share is that it lets you create shareable video highlight reels. This is super handy for anyone looking to create trailers or share short clips on social media. And on top of all these great features, it can also automatically caption your videos and summarize long videos. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so I was watching this guy on TikTok say that the people who used to work at TikTok started this tool called Opus. And they say that Opus is gonna help you make your TikTok videos go viral. At first I was like, I don't know, but listen, this tool is powered by OpenAI, so you already know it's gonna be a quality tool. And what it does is it repurposes long talking videos into shorts in one click. The AI analyzes your video to identify the most compelling hooks, and then it extracts those juicy moments from different parts of your video, and then it seamlessly rearranges them into one cohesive viral short. I mean, this is pretty huge. It's kind of similar to this tool that I actually currently use called Video. But the nice thing that this tool has that Video doesn't have is that it gives you a virality score based on the AI's analysis on thousands of viral videos. And this is pretty crazy because before you even post it, you can get a good idea of how well this video is going to perform so that you can save your time and actually work towards the content that's going to hit. So yeah, guys, this tool is called Opus, and it would be perfect for any long form content creators that are just looking to kind of work smarter, not harder, and repurpose their content into short form. Okay, guys, this one's gonna be amazing for my students, researchers, and professionals that are watching. Have you ever gotten a super long PDF, okay? Maybe from your teacher or your boss or your colleague, and deep down you're like, I know I have to read it, but maybe you're putting it off a little bit because it's long. So ChatPDF, it's a really useful tool because it has AI that will read the PDF and be able to summarize it for you so that you can just, go back to doing whatever it was that you were doing, probably on a couch somewhere watching TikToks. But for me, I am a stickler. And when I say stickler, I mean, I read every word of a contract is a problem. And this tool right here will help you get to the main points that you need. You can even ask questions like, say you're reading through a contract and you can ask it is there anywhere in this document that's asking me to sign my life away? That's pretty important information. You know what I mean? You might want to know that. So it can work in any language as well. So even if you're not a, legal professional per se, this can be a really great tool for anyone that's just wanting to sift through the information and just get down to the very important stuff. Okay, so do you guys ever just scroll through TikTok or maybe like Instagram Reels and you come across these generic videos with the ugly robot voice in the background?
Welcome to another day in the life of me.
I personally hate that. I just feel like it's kind of creepy. But what if I told you that AI tools are now so advanced that it sounds like an actual human voice? So Lovo AI is this super cool, award-winning platform that's all about AI-based voice generation and text-to-speech. It is one of the easiest and most robust platforms out there, creating voices that sound just like a real person. Lovo AI has a variety of voices under its belt. It serves a bunch of industries like entertainment, banking, education, gaming, documentaries, news, and so much more. And they are always refining their voice synthesis models, which has caught the attention of some pretty big names worldwide. They're really making waves in the voice synthesis sector. So what they do is they have a next-gen AI voice called Jenny. You can choose from over 500 AI voices in more than 20 emotions and 150 languages. Pretty crazy. You can also use the pronunciation editor, emphasis, speed, and pitch control to fine-tune exactly how you want the speech and customize how you want it to sound. So it's pretty neat, right? Okay, so did you guys know that Shopify has been working really hard on developing its own AI tool? Yes, guys, Shopify Magic. So it's available to all existing merchants, regardless of which plan you're on. And you can use Shopify Magic automatic text generation to help speed up your writing process when creating your product pages in your Shopify store. Using artificial intelligence technology, Shopify Magic uses the information that you provide to generate suggestions for content such as product descriptions, email subject lines, and headings in your online store. And guys, with Shopify Magic, you get a whole bunch of AI goodies that are seamlessly integrated into Shopify's products and workflows. So guys, this means that you get to spend more time doing what you love, creating amazing products, and less time like dealing with all that techie stuff. Automatically generated product descriptions are currently available in the following language, guys. So we have English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and simplified Chinese. So whether you are just kicking off your business or you're already running a booming online store, Shopify Magic is there to lend a hand, guys. It is all about making your life a breeze and just helping your business reach for the stars. So why not give it a whirl and watch the magic unfold? Speaking about Shopify, if you guys are not already signed up, what are you waiting for? I want you guys to join the community of millions of entrepreneurs and sign up for a free Shopify trial using the link right up here. Okay, so last but not least, guys, on our list is Fireflies. So Fireflies is an AI meeting assistant that uses natural language processing, and it gets rid of the hassle of note-taking during meetings. It lets you easily record, transcribe, and search across your voice conversations on a really intuitive platform. You can instantly record meetings across any web conferencing platform like Google Meet, Teams, Skype, Zoom, WebEx, and so much more. And guys, the cool thing is that it can transcribe live meetings or audio files that you upload. You can just skim through the transcripts while listening to the audio afterwards. It makes working in teams a much smoother process. You can add comments or mark specific parts of calls to, quickly collaborate with teammates on important moments from your conversations. And guys, the best part is that search functionality. It lets you review an hour-long call in less than 5 minutes. You can search across action items and other important highlights, and I just think that's really awesome if you ask me. Okay, so if you love everything about AI and you just want to discover more tools that you can try out, I recommend that you guys watch this 1 hour long, The Complete AI Tools for Business Guide video, and I'll pop that over here. All right, guys, that is it. That is the end of our list. What do you guys think? I thought there were some gems in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure that you're hitting the thumbs up button because it does help our channel a lot. If you want to see more from us, make sure that you hit subscribe. We have so many fun things planned for next videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on a future upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys next week, and we'll see you soon. Peace.